Hey, what's going on, B-Risers? I hope you're all doing wonderful. Actually, what I normally say is fabulous. I hope you're doing fabulous. So you guys, grapes. This isn't going in the smoothie today, but I thought I'd show you. I got some Coronation grapes from the Okanagan Valley, and I got these at Walmart. And I also got these organic grapes at Walmart. So Walmart is, starting to be my new favorite store here. And these Coronation grapes are one of my favorites. I absolutely love them. So if you can get your hands on them, maybe try Walmart. I'm kind of scoping out different places, but I love those. So thought I would show you guys that, and I wanted to show you my daily green smoothie. And so I am estrogen dominant, and there's a number of signs that you can tell if you are estrogen dominant. If you are, like for me, I got really painful menstrual cramps. That could be a sign. And cysts, endometriosis, that whole area, really, really painful. And also you can get cysts in the breasts, fibrocystic breasts. So there's a number of signs. Even, really, really bad bloating can also be a sign that you are estrogen dominant. And so we really want to look at bringing out that estrogen and detoxing excess estrogen out of the body, because estrogen, too much of it is acidic. And we really want to keep our hormones in balance, just like sodium, potassium, all those minerals in balance as well. And so I want to introduce you to my daily green smoothie. This helps me immensely, you guys. It helps me with pain, any inflammation, and really just cleaning out the colon and really just getting out that excess estrogen. So the green smoothie is where it's at. So I want to show you guys what I do. And I'm missing the main ingredient, the greens. So 1 second. All right, you guys, we got the greens, we're good. So I wanted to mention that with excess estrogen, sometimes women can feel more pain during their menstrual cycle, and that is because estrogen is increasing from the ovaries. So I'm going to introduce you to some foods that are going to help cleanse and detox this excess estrogen out of the body, and we really want that estrogen and progesterone to keep in balance. So what I start with is I just get this small kale chard spinach organic salad. So I love the kale chard and spinach. So this is really, the greens are where it's at in increasing your minerals, calcium, and really focusing on cleansing out the colon. And we really want the greens to bind to this estrogen and take it out of the body. So they really help with that. So I really just load in the greens like that. And I also have some just regular kale that I want to get rid of. So we're just going to put in a bit more kale. But yeah, you can get kale, spinach, chard, even Brussels sprouts, steamed. If you can handle cruciferous veggies, I would do them steamed if you can, like the cabbage, the broccoli, that's also good. And so what I do is I got blueberries and strawberries. So this is my usual, what I put in. And berries are really good for neurological weaknesses, really good brain food, and lots of antioxidants. So I also add in some hemp seeds because I am physically active, and so I find that just adding in some hemp seeds really provides a lot of great iron and minerals. If you have a parathyroid weakness like I do, you really want to make sure that you're getting in your calcium. And what I find really, really helps with that is some kelp powder. So kelp powder is really high in calcium, and I don't put in too much. I just put in about a teaspoon because it does have kind of a seaweed taste. I put in a teaspoon of that. Now I also add in some chlorella powder. So this is a time, let's say you are working out, this is a time where you can add in a green superfood blend, and that will be really, really good. Also got some alfalfa. So this is where us ladies, we want to get in our iron, and even more so if we're working out. So I'm going to add in some alfalfa powder, about a teaspoon of that. Sometimes I'll do 2 teaspoons depending if I am working out a lot. So we got the hemp seeds, we got our greens, kelp, chlorella, and alfalfa, and then you could add in a superfood, green superfood blend too. So here I actually just have some homemade almond milk, and this is optional. If you want, you can add in a fruit juice if you like, but again, I want extra calcium, so that's where the almond milk comes in. So add that in, just pour that right in there, and we blend it up, and that's it. So that's my daily green smoothie that I absolutely love, you guys, and I feel so good drinking it. We'll blend this up. I guess this will be more of like a purple green smoothie. And so what I like about this with the smoothies, you guys, is it brings in a lot of calories. And if you want, you can add in some bananas for extra calories. But I like it just as is. And I can take it to work. I can take it on the go. Got some cat hair here. That's extra protein. All right, so here we are. It's more of a purple smoothie, you guys, but there we go. Put that down here. And let's give it a taste test. Really good. So, purple green smoothie, super, super good cleanser for your body, and gives you that extra boost if you're wanting to work out and just do your daily activities. Super healthy for you. Really good at taking out that excess estrogen. So get in the greens, get in those minerals, and you'll be doing wonderful. Stay tuned for more healthy healing tips, and we will see you guys in the next video. As always, be yourself, be your beautiful self, be alkaline, and be getting into some nature.